going on, you guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today it's an update and it's quite exciting because, well, I got the chassis running. As you could see, the tires spin, so yeah, on the front as well I had the steering thing oiled up and everything, so now it's really smooth and everything. So yeah, it's ready to go, but the only thing is that I need to still do the light wiring. So I connected it to the battery, the steering, the drivetrain, and yeah, the chassis is back up running. And I think it's actually really smooth because after I oiled it up, it sounds way nicer. It doesn't sound as sharp as it used to before. And the final bits that I did to the interior was painted those aircon vents in grey silver-ish colour. Now the interior stands out way much more. The extra detailing that I put on was the handlebar buttons and stuff like that, etc. The middle black bit when you lift up to start the car up, so I put the black thing because it would just look very more realistic. And some buttons on the steering wheel, and the door handle black bit as well, as like a shadow, as if it was. So yeah, the interior, I'm really happy with the interior as it turned out. So I think it's really good. The other thing that I got done was I painted this bit in gloss black, the top bit, only the top part. And if you would be able to recognize that the exhaust tips only have the silver around it, because the exhaust was silver inside and outside, as you can see. I painted the inside so it looks way more realistic, because in real life, if you think about it, if you look inside like a tube or anything, it'll always be black on the inside and the original color on the outside, so it'll be like circle-ish. So I think it just looks way cooler, and I can't. It just look, the lettering looks so nice on the tires, and I'm just so happy that it's back up running. And yeah, I'll be happy to be putting it all back together, and I think I'll be getting some new LED lights because I took those bits out. That is probably going to be for the interior light, because I want to put interior light like above the rear view mirror. And I'm really happy with the result that is turning out right now. So yeah, well, also I got the lights done, so it's awesome. Really happy with the result. The engine is back in place and all detailed up. And yeah, thank you for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe. If you're not subscribed, well, please make sure you do. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.